So guys, this is a 2024 Forester Classic 3051S. You're about 32 feet, 31 feet, 11 inches long, 8 feet wide. You're on an E450 chassis. Beautiful colors here on this camper. I'm gonna close this door so you get a good look at this full body paint job on this one. I really like the Foresters. You get a full aluminum cage on the outside here, or in the walls, giving you nice lightweight driving capability and nice protection. Full tinted windows all the way throughout. This specific one, of course, you have a smart outside TV in there, so you're going to be nice and taken care of on the outside entertainment there, and of course nice and protected, and you still get that awesome paint job. Propane down here, battery packs nice and protected, and of course as you walk back through, lots of storage, big storage bins all the way through outside of this camper. And of course they even give you nice little storage doors, giving you access to your water filter, water pump, and everything. Big pass-through storage in the back underneath that bed and everything. And of course, I didn't point it out, but you have turn signal cameras on each side, left and right, and of course a nice 28-foot awning on the side of the camper. Back here, LED turn signals, backup camera already installed, and a hitch to be able to tow 5,500 pounds while you're going down the road. Dual axles, so you're nice and stable while you're towing and everything with the camper. Beautiful outside paint job, black tank flush all the way through. Just beautiful. I believe David does own one of these, and he takes it on a yearly drive. And as soon as he saw this one, he's thinking about upgrading already. So make sure you call in, get this one put in your name, so that way he has to order one instead of buying one of our in-stock ones. So let's take a walk inside, check it all out. So as we come in, of course, you got yourself another smart TV, rotates around, but if you're not using that, full bed over the cab, holds 300 pounds. And if you fold that up out of the way, you get a nice, better view of your cab here, or let me get out of the way, of your cab. Leather seats in here, and of course that full Ford chassis, nice and easy to drive. If you've driven a U-Haul, you can drive one of these nice and easy. This specific one, you have a hide-a-bed here, so that way even more sleeping while you're going down the road. Seat belts all the way through, and of course lots of storage here. This little box right here gives you your own Wi-Fi for the camper. So while you're driving, if you want to work and everything out of your camper, you got your own Wi-Fi setup. Right over here, dinette also turns into a bed. So if while you're camping, you want to sleep even more people, you can eat or sleep in this nice little dinette. And of course, even more storage directly underneath. It does have a plug-in underneath. Right here, you do have wireless charging for all your phone or anything. So basically just take this out, set it right there. Already charging my phone. And right now we're just currently running off the batteries. We're not even plugged in. Nice little countertop extension, snaps right into place. And of course, single basin stainless steel sink with your faucet directly behind there. Now you're gonna ask yourself, Dalton, what's this back here? That's a nice little trash can lid, nice and set up. So when you go to chop your onions or anything back there, push them right in there, already dropped in. Again, plenty of storage all the way through. Control panel, nice and easy to use. And everything down there. Battery shut off on the ground down there. And of course your solar controller, as well as your automatic leveling and everything on this camper. Working my way back around the cameraman so that way I can get him nice and kerfuffled. Dual swinging fridge door here. Freezer on the bottom on this one. So no matter which way you come in, you can access your refrigerated goods. And of course, even more storage here in this kitchen. Awesome setup as you move through. Directly across from there, you don't have an oven, or a gas oven. You do have a convection oven in this one. 3-burner cooktop for all your grilled cheese needs. And of course, even more storage all throughout. Lots of pull-out drawers. Awesome little setup. You do have a nice black sliding door to separate yourself from your bathroom. But moving on, speaking of the bathroom, you'd have a full walk-through bathroom in the 3051. Nice little sink over here. Big mirrors to make yourself nice and pretty for date night. Even more pull-out drawers directly below. Directly across from that is your throne room. Porcelain toilet with a full-size shower with the 3 sliding glass doors there. I'm going to open that up so you get a nice good view. Plenty of room with that skylight over the head, or over the shower there. And of course, you see these are nice little hidden hinges for all your towels or anything while you're sleeping or showering. Moving into the bedroom, of course this bedroom's in a slide. Full-size queen bed. Looks like it's got an aloe vera mattress. That's really nice. That's nicer than the one I got in my house. Might swap this out. Anyway, full-size queen bed in here. In a slide. Nightstands on each side. That one looks like it's got a little bit more storage. Reading lights here. Ooh, they're touch. Anyway, reading lights there. Comes with a nice little comforter set. Comes with it. Let's see if we got storage underneath. We don't, because you're a motor home. You got all your water tanks and everything underneath there. Another TV with storage behind it there. And of course, you just gotta, there we go. Even more storage all the way through here. Lots of space in this camper. Lots of storage space. Light up cabinetry in there. Lots of storage for all your linen and stuff while you go camping. I believe this one's set up for dual air conditioners. Only has one though, but it is ducted all the way through. Beautiful, beautiful camper, beautiful bedroom in here. Awesome setup. Nice little step down as you're walking through, as Austin just discovered. But awesome little setup on this 3051. If you have any questions, we're making deals on these 2024s. Moving them. If you want to order one, we can definitely do that. Get a different paint job for you if you're not a fan of the blue and black. But awesome little setup.